Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for your love on this channel, and if you're new here today, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to subscribe if you enjoy content around fashion, home decor and lifestyle. So today's video I'll be showing you how I grew up my daughter's bald spot into a head full of hair. This is her hair currently. When I took down her style, the previous style she had on, and I was trying to detangle her hair before washing. So this is what her hair looks like. You can see the back of her hair is all grown, and even the front. I've never cut her hair since she was born in 2020 April. I'll be showing you the oil I used to grow her hair and the routine I've been using for almost 2 years now to grow her hair. Yeah, this is how her hair looks. It's very healthy. You can see her hair is full and healthy, and yeah, this is the oil. So I had some left, so I decided to transfer it into an empty bottle so I can mix up a new one. After I was done transferring it, then I decided to bring out each of the oil. So this is the castor oil, the black castor oil I use. This is the argan oil that I use. You can use any brand. This is the coconut oil I use. I also use this for cooking. It doesn't have to be organic. This is the flaxseed oil, the extra virgin oil. Yes, you can actually use the regular one, the Goya, the one that we call the anointing oil. I use it here if you want to make it blessed. Yeah, this is the wild growth oil and the tea tree oil. The wild growth oil has been amazing also, so I decided to do 1 teaspoon of each, even though I usually do more of the olive oil. So I decided to do 3 teaspoons of the olive oil. Yeah, I know I was supposed to pour this instance into a container and mix instead of pouring it into the applicator bottle, but I didn't want to make much mess. I didn't want to start transferring, so I decided to mix up the whole oil in the applicator bottle. Yeah, I've been doing this for a while now, and so far my daughter's hair has been growing. Yeah, I decided to make up the olive oil into 3 teaspoons of each oil. So then I went ahead and scooped the coconut oil. Yes, you can decide to melt out this oil instead of leaving it in the kind of coagulated form. So, but I decided to put it in my palm and transfer it into the applicator bottle. Just like I said, it would be easier if you mix this in a container, then pour it into the applicator bottle instead of mixing it in the applicator bottle. Yeah, I know it was messy, but I just went ahead and did it that way. I usually, when I'm trying to do my daughter's hair, after washing, I usually go ahead and apply the leave-in conditioner. Then before applying this this hair growth oil, I've been using it for, my daughter is currently 2.5 years old, and I've been doing this to her hair. I started doing this before I think when she was about 10 months old. That was when I started doing this. You can use the wild growth oil, but I like mixing it with other oil, knowing the benefits of this oil. Just like we know how good the argan oil is, even the castor oil, when it comes to moisturizing hair growth, and also they are also good for the skin and for the face. But I decided to mix the wild growth oil with my other oil so that I can get like the whole benefit that comes with everything. So yeah, I've been doing this to her hair. And just like I mentioned in my other video, if you do your little kids hair, or if you do your hair, don't just leave the hair alone. You would need to be maintaining it within the week. You would need to be I usually spray my daughter's hair with oil, with water. I'll spray with water to kind of, I don't know if you know about the LOC method, the liquid, oil and cream. So I spray the liquid, which is water, after which I go ahead and apply some oil, which is the O in the LOC. Then I go ahead and apply the cream, which is the leave-in conditioner. You can actually do it whichever way. You can actually do it the liquid, the cream and the oil. So I spray the water with a spray bottle, then I go ahead and apply the oil, then I seal it up with a leave-in conditioner or any which way. So but make sure you massage it. So I usually do the application, the refreshing, maybe once or twice a week, but I don't go any week without applying anything to her hair. Looking at the hair, the weather is actually getting cold. So you need to be doing this. This is my daughter. You can see that there was a time she didn't have much hair in front, but this is what her front hair looks like. It's been growing out nicely. Yeah, so I applied the leave-in conditioner, I applied this hair grow oil, then I massage it into her hair before I go ahead and style her hair. Even if she's wearing her hair out, I still do this to make sure she has the right nutrients she needs for her hair. This is the old one and the new one. I also apply it to my own hair. I'm been trying to grow out my edges after I had a frontal. So that's it for my hair care routine. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.